Good morning, my class 9 students. So today we are moving ahead to first derivation of this chapter, that is equations of motion. Okay, we will derive the equations of motion. Remember one thing, there are three equations of motion. Okay, number one, V is equals to U plus AT. V is equals to U plus AT. Okay, the second is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. And number three, V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Okay, these three are equations of motion. Okay, now one by one, what are this V, U, A, S, T? है ना? You have also seen my previous videos that these terminologies I have explained, but one more time I will tell that V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration, T is time, S is distance or displacement. Okay, nothing is left? No. Fine. So our first derivation will be for V is equals to U plus AT. We need to prove first this equation. So, okay, this will be our proving statement. So we'll start the derivation. Okay. Now, before starting the derivation, we should also see the graph. Okay, we will understand the graph. Okay. Now, see here. Let us suppose there is one body. Okay, it starts from point O. Okay, from origin. Okay, and moves with some initial velocity U. Okay, initial velocity U itna hai, OA. Fine. And then at last its final velocity is V. You can also find this graph in your NCERT textbook. Okay. Now the final velocity when it reaches to point E is V. Fine. Initial velocity is U. Okay. This distance OA is U. This distance OE is V. And the time taken for reaching the final velocity is T. Okay, and this distance OC is actually T. है ना? ठीक है. Now this distance OE is V. That means BCB क्या होगा? BC will also be V. This OA is U. That means CD will also be U. ठीक है. And this time OC is time T. That means AD will also be equals to T. ये चीजें याद रखनी है. Fine. So we are starting the derivation first. So from the above graph, what we can see, this total distance BC, ये दो डिस्टेंस से मिलके बना है BD plus CD. Fine. Is this correct? This total BD is equals to BD plus DC. Okay. Now we are putting the values BC that means itna pura distance. Yes, that is V. Okay. Just now I told this is V is equals to BD. Value of BD, we don't have the value of BD. Plus CD. CD is this distance, that is U. Just now I told this is U. When I am taking this U to left side, it becomes BD is equals to V minus U. V minus U, that means final velocity minus initial velocity. This is actually change in velocity. Remember one thing, that means BD tells about change in velocity. Okay, this is our equation number one. This is change in velocity, remember. Okay, now we will see the formula for acceleration. We know acceleration A is equals to change in velocity. Change in velocity is given by BD. Just now I told change in velocity by time. Okay, time is denoted by T. Okay, fine. Now I am putting the value of BD here, V minus U, and taking this T to left side. AT is equals to, in place of BD I am putting V minus U. Now I am taking this V minus U to left side, minus will become plus. So AT plus U is equals to V. When I am writing in proper order, it becomes V is equals to U plus AT. This is our first derivation. Yes, it's very easy. Okay, now the second derivation is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. Okay, S is distance, है ना? So how can we calculate distance? I have already explained in velocity time graph that the distance covered can be calculated from the area under the graph. Area under the graph means ये पूरा जो ये area है ना, ये जितना यहाँ चला, this is the area. Okay, if we can calculate this area, then we can also calculate the distance covered. So we will write one line: distance covered is equal to the area under the graph. So we are calculating now area under the graph. Okay, अब ये निकालना है area. Therefore calculating area AOCB. AOCB. Okay, you can see this is a trapezium, but in simple way we can divide these area into two parts. Okay, not equal, into two parts. One is triangle and one is rectangle. Okay, so what we will write? S is equals to, S means distance covered, है ना? Distance covered, उसमें क्या निकालेंगे? Area is equals to, first I am calculating area for this triangle. Area triangle ABD plus area this rectangle AOCB. Okay, now we will calculate the area. S is equals to area of triangle. Area of triangle formula, half into base into height. Half into base into height plus area of rectangle AOCD, L into B, length into width. So now we are substituting the values. Half into base of this triangle, base is AD, into height ये है BD, yes, plus length into breadth of this triangle, length is OC into breadth DC. ठीक है, now we will put the values. Half into AD. AD is how much? AD, this. Okay, AD is this distance. That means मैं बताया था, this OC is equals to AD and OC is equals to T. Yes, so that means AC is also equals to T into BD. BD we have calculated somewhere here. ये है BD. Yes, this is BD. V minus U or V minus U. See here, this is also V minus U. We can directly put the value of V minus U as 80 from here. Yes, remember this thing. We will put the value of V minus U as 80. So in place of BD we are putting 80. Remember this thing, okay? BD is change in velocity and change in velocity is equals to A into T. Okay, I have given that value. Now OC. Where is OC? OC is this. This is equals to T into CD or DC. DC is equals to OA. OA is U. So DC will also be equals to U. So I am putting here U. Okay, now we are writing in original form. S is equals to, first I am writing this TU. TU I can write as UT. UT, this plus sign, now half into A into t, t square. So S is equals to ut plus half at square. Yes, this is our second derivation. Okay, so let's proceed to third derivation now. We will see the third derivation. Third is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Okay, now remember the formula displacement S. Okay, displacement S is equals to average velocity. Average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Okay, now S is equals to average velocity. Average velocity, we have seen the formula, final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. Final velocity V plus initial velocity U divided by 2. This is formula for average velocity. Okay, into time t. Okay, now we will substitute the value of t. Okay, from the formula of acceleration. Okay, we know that acceleration, we have studied v minus u by t. Yes, we have seen this formula. Now when we are calculating the value of t from here, t will go here and a can come down. So t is equals to v minus u by a. Yes, so we will substitute this formula here in place of t. First we will add this. Now in place of t, we will put v minus u by a. V minus u by a. Okay, now we can see a formula is getting formed here, v plus u, v minus u. है ना? In between there is into v plus u, v minus u. So a plus b, a minus b. Formula for a plus b, a minus b is, I'm writing this now. I will write here. Now formula for a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So a is b, so a square minus b is u, so u square by 2 into a, 2a. This 2a will get multiplied here, cross multiplied, so it becomes 2as is equals to v square minus u square. When I am taking this u square to left side, it will become plus. So 2as plus u square is equals to v square. Now we will write in proper order. This I am writing in LHS. v square is equals to u square plus 2as. This is our final formula. So we have derived all three formulas. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Okay, thank you.